Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given this secondary school as a field, and it is surrounded by a 6-meter wide running track, and this field has two semicircular ends. Radius is given 25 meter and two straight sides. Well, they give me the perimeter. Okay, show that the length of the straight side x is equals to 96.460 meter when we correct it to 3 decimal place. Perimeter. Oh, this means that I will need to find the length of the two semicircle, which combined will become one circle. Then this is my x and x. Okay, and they add up to 350. So that's the idea. Okay, and so I will have perimeter of the field equal to x plus 50 pi. Why is it 50 pi? Because it is one circle, or you can see it as 2. So I do a quick rough working at the side. Pi times the diameter, or pi times the radius times 2, and this one will be equals to 50 pi. Okay, and from here we can continue to solve, because I will have my perimeter as 350. X plus x is 2x, so I'm going to zoom in now. To solve this equation, I'm going to minus 50 pi on both sides of this equation, so that I will have 350 minus 50 pi equals to 2x. Because here will be 0, okay? Then, in order to find 1x, I will then have to divide by 2 on both sides, so that eventually my x will be equals to 350 minus 50 pi divided by 2. That will give me 96.460 when I round it off to 3 dp. Shown. Now, with this value of x to 3 decimal place, I can then find the area of the running track. That is why they use the word. Hence, they would want us to use the answer from part A. And going back to the diagram, you can then see, oh, the area is essentially the big area minus the small area. Okay, so this is what you can see. It is essentially the big rectangle whereby I will have this And this is the big rectangle. And the length is 96.460. That's my x. And the breadth is 50 because here is 25, radius 25, 6 and 6, they give me 62 times pi r square. And now for this particular area, the radius is here. Which is 31. 25 plus 6. That's why I will have a pi r square here. And because it is a circle, 2 semicircles make 1 circle. So when I add them out, this is the big area. And I would then need to minus away my small rectangle and small circle, which is again 96.460. But this time round is 25 and 25, they make 50. This is the small rectangle and the small circle. And after which, you will get this value, and eventually you should get 2210 meters square when rounded off to 3 significant figures. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.